Hello everyone! If you are looking for an efficient die cutting solution for custom reflective material and field-based product, the equipment I'm about to introduce is definitely worth your attention. The process begins with the pre-treatment of the top field layer, while the machine automatically strips and collects waste material during operation. Once the cutting is complete, the equipment reapplies the productive film to the material surface, ensuring the finished product remains clean and intact. The system supports a variety of modes, including slitting, rewinding, and sheet cutting. Whether you are producing traffic signs, outdoor safety warnings, or reflective items, this laser die cutting machine helps to achieve high precision, automatic, and mass production. If you are interested, welcome to contact with us.